Good afternoon, everybody. Van Man Steve here once again. It is Wednesday, April the 19th. Today I am going to be doing an unpackaging video, and it just came in today. And this was something that I got off of Amazon, and I have a paint can here in front of the bag to protect for privacy and protection reasons, which is what I usually do in my videos. But anyway, this just came in today, and this is pretty much what's in the box, the bag. And what we have here is an Arken Professional Tools 4-inch gear puller. This is the top of the box. There's really nothing to go over. Okay, so this is a 4-inch. This was made in India. There's the barcode there. So this is a gear puller, and this is the tool that is used to remove metal fan blade sets. And I have seen other videos of this procedure that is done with this tool here, and the reason I got this is for purposes of removing fan blades that are hard to get off, and this is really going to come in handy, you know, for other fans that I may acquire in the future, and it's really not going to be that much of a struggle anymore. It has a little tack here on the end of it. Not that it's relevant. There's really nothing to it. This is a 3-jaw, and it is pretty small, but pretty sure it has a lot more bark than bite. And basically how these work is that you put these over the hub of a blade set, and there's a socket that you put over the shaft, and you basically just rotate it, and it pushes the shaft off of the blade set, and there you go. This is the first time me ever having one of these, and this is also going to be the very first time me performing a procedure like this. And videos that I had seen, that it's really not that hard of a job. It's all about knowing exactly what to do. So, well, there you go, everybody. There is a quick little unpackaging of my 4-inch 3-jaw gear puller. I'm going to be getting a video of a demonstration on this very soon. I hope that you all have enjoyed, and you all have a good one, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.